Hey everybody, what's going on? This is your boy Jordan from Jordan Come to Life Directly on YouTube. We are watching how to build a startup in 30 days. This is the second episode, and today we are going to talk about ideas. Run it! Ideas. You know, like, we all have so many ideas. Like, I think so many of us, once upon a time, a friend called you somehow and told you, hey, I have a great idea for a business. Blah, 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 blah. And then they keep talking about the idea for like years and years, and you never and then you just never hear anything about it, you know, like they're just talking about it, they don't do it whatsoever. So, like, seriously, your idea is worthless if you're not executing it, okay? So that's why we are here to tell you guys, you know, if you have an idea and you think it's good and you think that people will actually pay for it, just fucking do it, man. Just seriously, just go ahead and do it. And the thing is, about ideas, like, everybody has ideas, and if you think your idea is unique, think again. It's not. I think, like, if you have this idea and you think it's fucking great and, you know, like, this is going to make me so much money, I am sure there's a lot of things that exactly like your idea. But when it comes to this, you know, when there is, first of all, it's really good to have competitors. We're going to talk about that later, okay? Today we're going to talk about ideas. So, your idea is not unique. And if your idea, still, in your fucking brain and still lives there, it's nothing. It doesn't exist. It's just a thought in your brain, and that's it. There's nothing, you didn't do anything about it. It's just there, and it's gonna die if you don't do anything about it. And that's why you are here, and that's why I am here. I want you to actually get this idea and start doing it. Okay, so today we are going to talk about two different kinds of ideas, okay? So what we're going to focus on, what we are going to focus on is ideas or skills that you know how to do. Okay, you already know how to do. You are a programmer, you are a graphic designer, you are a traveler, you are a dancer, you are a model, you are, you know, a carpenter, you are anything, anything you do skillfully. You know, if you are a programmer, you are in the zone. If you are dancing, you are in the zone. It's something you know how to do very well. We're going to take that and build an online business about it and make money out of it. So, yeah. And then we're going to talk about products in general, okay? There is e-products, which is something amazing. You can actually write an e-book and sell it forever, and it will make you money forever if it's a good book. Or something like, or maybe, for example, you can sell homemade cheese online. This works too, you know, or you can sell foods with za'atar, for example, and that works too. So thing is, we don't want to go crazy and be really, just very complicated kind of idea. We are going to focus on something very, very easy to do and very obvious that people will actually pay for, and we're gonna build a startup, an online business around that. Okay, so so we're talking. We just remember there's services that you know how to do, and you know you're very skillful with, and also products that you know that people want. Okay, you know, you see the resemblance. So this or this. Let's not go, you know, very complicated with our ideas, and let's just go with very simple idea. And your idea must be something like actually solve something for somebody, you know. So you know a problem, there's a problem, and you want to solve it. This is also very important. So for me, like, I think the problem is more important than the idea, because if there is no problem, your idea will not matter. Okay, so before you go ahead and start building a startup or an online business, just ask yourself, what does this service or product solve for other people? All right, so yeah, just like, you know, keep this in mind and think about it, and tell me what kind of, in the comments down below, tell me what kind of skill that you think you can actually build an online business around, or what kind of product you have or you can build and people will actually buy in the comments down below. So remember, I have I have 3 spots or 5 spots for anybody who wants to start this with me, and I'm gonna help you guys step by step to build your own online business, okay, from A to Z. Now I'm gonna tell you about my idea, the idea I'm building while recording this series. It's just very simple idea, and it's based on a problem. Like, I know this because so many people call me every now and then, like at least 2 people every week call me or send me a message or an email asking me about something somewhere. I was traveling, like, you know, hey, how can I get the cheapest flight from New York to Jordan? Hey, how can I, you know, like, what should I do when I am in Bangkok or Siem Reap or whatever? So I thought, hey, there's actually people looking online for such advice. Why not actually build a very simple online business around this, where people just send me where they're going to go, and I will send them a personalized travel guide with the things they can do there, with the cheapest flights, with the ways to, like, you know, the activities they can do there, and all these things. So yeah, so this is what I'm building right now, and in the next episode we are going to talk about business models, and we are going to create a business model for my business. All right, so you guys can follow with me, like, and actually do the same for your own online business. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and smash that like button, and don't forget the bell notification thingy, so whenever I post something new you will get a notification. All right, please don't forget to comment down below and tell me about your ideas, and you know, good luck. See you guys. Hey guys, I just want to remind you that on this series I will be building my own online business, and tomorrow we are going to talk about business model, and we're going to build a business model for my online business, so you can just follow me step by step and build your own business model for your online business. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and smash that like button, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.